Hey guys, what's up? Welcome again to another video, and I'm Fresh and I'm part of the Sneaker Flippers team. Before we go to the main topic, which is should you resell the Jordan 1 High Lucky Green, let's discuss first the releases this week. Nike Dunk Low Setsubun April 11, and I would say this is a nice brown colorway, but still if you're gonna resell it, I think it will play around 150 to 160. So $40 profit. I think that's not bad. Next one is the mid lucky green. So yes, this April, it's the week or it's the month for the lucky greens. So there's a lucky green low Jordan 1, lucky green Jordan 3 for women, and then lucky green mid April 11, then the Jordan 1 high lucky green April 15. And to be honest, I would say the best colorway is the Jordan 1 low and the Jordan 1 high lucky green, but the mid will drop April 11. The next one is the Nike Dunk Low Timeless April 13, and this is somehow weird. And would you consider wearing a silver sneaker? It's kind of funny and it's kind of weird, so definitely this is a drop. Next is the Nike Cortez SP in collaboration with Cloth, Forrest Gump colorway. So probably this is a great cup, and I would say resale will play around at least 200 April 14, but the overall idea is still kind of weird in my opinion. So everything that I discuss and that I show in this video is based in our Discord cook group. So our Winner Circle Discord cook group provides those kind of informations, and not just informations, we also provide easy access links, ACO forms, and an active admin to guide you in our Discord group. So join our Discord, use my code FRESH12 if you want to cop at least some of these pairs and at least learn about reselling. And yes, our admin will also help you with that. Speaking of reselling, if you want to start your reselling journey, go also buy the Hype Master Playbook, link down below. Use my code FRESH12 to get a discount. All of this, the Winner Circle Discord group, if you want to join, use my code FRESH12. At the same time, the Hype Master Playbook, use my code FRESH12 to get a discount. All the links are down below. Go check it out. Now, to focus more on the subject, let's talk about the Lucky Green. So the Lucky Green J3 for women is still sitting. It's a clean colorway, but it doesn't shout Lucky Green. But the J1 Low, on the other hand, I love the main upper. The black and green combination looks great. But in my opinion, the best Lucky Green released this April will be the Jordan 1 High. So far, the True Blue is still sitting. The Skyline that dropped last Saturday, sitting. I would say this will be sold out. This will sell out, in my opinion, the Jordan 1 High Lucky Green. Considering it's a nice, decent colorway, and comparing it to the last 2020 Lucky Green release for women, I would say this 2023 Lucky Green Jordan Y is so much better. I think this is a cup, and I would say yes, right now in StockX, resale price is 200, and probably because of the demand is low and there are a lot of pairs, the volume of pairs is high. That's why the resale price is only around 200. Will it go high? I don't know. But so far, the demand and the popularity or hype is very low. That's why the resale value is also low, and that is good whether you're a reseller or not. Whether you want to cop this is definitely a cop in my opinion. So there you go. Yes, this is just a quick video about the release. It will drop April 15. Now let's say you want to join the Discord. We provide the official links in different websites for the release of the Jordan 1 High Lucky Green. Go check out the link down below. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to learn more about reselling, what are the latest releases and drops. Go subscribe and you can follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching.